Okay, talking about how to make one of these quickly. So how to make a chiishi or a strand stone, it's very, very basic, easy to do at home. You can get the materials from just about any hardware or construction store, which is fantastic. So all you need is a bit of concrete and, a bit of concrete, a dial stick or a wooden handle that is comfortable for your grip. And from there, you need a few screws or nails. So what you'll do is drill a couple holes, put the screws in to the wood. So this is going to create a reinforced structure for the concrete. So that's actually inside this concrete. It creates a bit of a framework. So you put some screws in that are sticking out of the stick, then take some wire, wrap that around, creates a bit of a fiber web mesh. You then take the stick with the screws and the wire wrapped around, place that in a bucket, throw in your concrete, and then you let that sit for 24, 48 hours depending on what type of concrete mix you have. And boom, voila, you've got yourself a chiishi. I took one extra step and I varnished the handle and the concrete afterwards just to give it a nicer finish and also just give it a bit of more longevity. And yeah, that pretty much sums it up. You feel free to drop me some messages. There's also tons of other videos on YouTube that highlight the process of making these step by step with pictures. Feel free to check those out as well. Much love, happy training, and I'm gonna jump straight past this. Wow.